Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Asha. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. And so today I'm with the new content, that is color correctors. Yes, color correctors. Color correctors play a very important role in the full face of makeup. Color corrector is a type of a concealing. It's a technique of concealer which is used by almost all makeup artists out there. Whoever makeup artist it is, it's a blogger or it is a makeup. See, there are so many makeup artists which we know. So, see, color corrector is a very important technique. There are so many foundations in the market which will give you full coverage makeup. Full coverage foundations are those foundations which blurs out all your acne, in short all your imperfections on your face, but those cost you 3,300 rupees, yeah, 4,000 rupees, up to 6,000 rupees. There are so many high-end brands, for example Bobbi Brown, Huda Beauty, MAC, Charlotte Tilbury. Each single brand which I mentioned have their own full coverage foundations which cost you more than 4,000 bucks, which is not that affordable by everyone, right? See, I use a foundation which is of 499 rupees or max to max 1000 rupees, but that foundation also gives you a same result when compared to those high-end foundations when you apply a color corrector underneath your foundation. So this is that video wherein you guys will understand the importance of color corrector and also how to use a color corrector underneath the foundation to make the foundation look so flawless and give you a very good makeup look. So color correctors are used to target an array of skin issues such as dullness, redness, under eyes and dark spots. As I said, color correctors are same as a technique of concealers. Yes, color correctors are also known as concealers, but there's a difference between concealer and a color corrector. See, concealers come in different type of shades like light, medium, dusky and dark skins. Okay. So, but color correctors doesn't come in so many shades, but they do come in different colors. For example, color correctors come in green color, orange color, peach corrector, brown corrector. There are so many different orange corrector. There are so many different correctors in color corrections. So, each color corrector have their own individual importance to hide some of the imperfections on your face. So there are so many color correctors in the market which are very affordable in price, and when you buy a color corrector plus a foundation, for example, you can go for Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, you can go for Maybelline Fit Me foundation, you can go for Nykaa Skin Genius foundations. All these foundations are very affordable and you can buy it anywhere in the offline market stores as well, or you can buy in on online which are affordable. See, I'm here to just give you an affordable makeup tricks, not a high-end makeup tricks, because I'm not that person who invests thousands of rupees in makeup, because makeup is important but it's not a necessity, right? Okay, so for that reason, so for example, if you buy this foundation, for example, this is not a high-end foundation, this is Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This cost you around 699 rupees, but in Nykaa online sale or something you might get this for 500 bucks also. So this is 500 rupees and you buy a color corrector of amount 200-300 rupees or something. So in total your base makeup will be less than 800 rupees, right? But if you want to take a full coverage foundation, no, I don't want to use color corrector, I only want to use foundation, then you have to end up buying so high-end products like Smashbox, MAC, Huda Beauty, which cost you more than 3,000-4,000 rupees, which is really expensive for a girl like me at least. So I always recommend you, my friends, buy a color corrector. With that you can buy any affordable foundation which will go very well with your face. Okay, so today I'm with two color correctors. For me, I feel these two color correctors are must needed in your makeup kit. These color correctors are very important. Imperfections can be hidden with the help of these two color correctors. That is, one is green color corrector and one is orange color corrector. Okay, so today we'll just talk about green corrector and orange corrector. So first we'll talk about green corrector. Green color corrector is a color corrector which cancels out your red cysts or blurs out your acne. This is in short, whereas your orange color correctors takes care of your blue and dark gray dark circles. Orange color corrector is used to hide your dark circles or eye discoloration, especially those are very dark blue or dark gray in color. Dark circles are not black in color. You guys just understand it. Your dark circles or my dark circles, anyone's dark circles are not dark in color. They are either blue or very dark gray in their color. So orange color corrector is that one color corrector which helps you to cancel or to hide out all your eye discolorations. So there might be question like how to choose color correctors, how to choose white color, we want orange color corrector or we want green color corrector. For example, if you guys have dark circles here dark circles underneath your eyes or near your nose, corner of the nose, or here near to your lips, or here near the chin, or anywhere near your face, or anywhere on your face, if you have discoloration or if you have pigmentation, you can go for orange color corrector. And if you have acne scars, very dark acne scars, for example, I have acne scars here. See, here I have so much of acne scars. If you have acne scars and if you want to hide those acne scars and make it disappear, then you can go for green color corrector. Now the main question is how to choose color correctors for the different type of skin tones. If you have fair to light medium skin tone and if you experience dark circles, then you have to go for peach corrector. This is purely a dark orange corrector. You can see this is dark orange corrector. You can go for little lighter with this as you are light in your skin tone. See, this is orange color corrector. So this orange color corrector may look poppy if your skin is light. My skin is dusky to dark, or if you have medium skin tone, dusky skin tone or dark skin tone, you can absolutely go for orange color correctors. This is a brand called Miss Claire. This is a very affordable color corrector brand and you will get so many different types of color corrector shades in this one brand. So you can try it out. I'll just the links of these two products will be in my description box. You can check it out if you want to buy them. Okay, so there might be question of application of these correctors before or after foundations, because in many of the videos you might have seen or you might have experienced that, or you might use concealers after your foundation, but color correctors are those which you have to use underneath your foundation. These are not used above the foundation. These are always and must use underneath your foundation. So you have to apply your color corrector wherever there's a discoloration. For example, I don't have dark circles, but I'll just show you. Taken this, you have to just apply wherever you have dark circles. I have only here some pigmentation marks, so I'll just apply it here. So once you apply color corrector, you have to just blend. You can blend with the help of your fingers as well as concealer brush. I prefer you blend it with the help of fingers as well. Do not invest in concealer brushes, because correctors are so smooth in texture that they blend very beautifully with the help of your own fingers. Okay, so once this is done, you can just apply a foundation. I have not applied foundation, just to show you guys. I'll apply it now. So just apply foundation. Okay, see, immediately you can see the apply color correctors underneath your foundation, then apply a foundation and blend with the help of a brush or with the help of a beauty blender. The very most important thing is the moment you apply color correctors, immediately you have to start blending, because some color correctors dry up on the skin. So immediately just take on your finger, apply and just blend and blend it. So here I showed you orange corrector. Now let's see how it works with the green corrector. Just take on a green corrector and start applying on your acne. I actually have so much of acne that I don't know which acne to hide and which acne to leave. Acne scars, okay, see, this is an active acne. Here this acne cannot be hidden, only acne scars can be hidden. I have so much of acne scars. So see, I have just finished application of green corrector, and again I'll apply a coat of foundation and you will just see the difference. Okay, so this is my look after application of foundation, and underneath I have applied color correctors. Here I have applied orange color corrector and here I have applied green color corrector. You can see some of my dark have been hidden, and here I didn't had much discoloration underneath my eyes, so you might not get a clear picture. But if someone has, kindly do use and let me know in the comment section below how was your experience with that. So yes, these are the And this is my main content for today's video. Now comes the interesting part. So then this is the last point in this video. So I just give you some of the brand names which have affordable color correctors. For example, some brands like Miss Claire. So this is the Miss Claire brand. So after that we have Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty is also some sort of affordable brand. We have Nykaa color correctors. We have Nykaa ka color corrector, and we have Wet n Wild color corrector palette. There's a round palette which comes with so many different types of color correctors in one single palette. That is in a mid-range, so but that is affordable, and yeah, you'll get it in many stores as well. And in high-end brand, there are Forever 52, PAC, and MAC Pro Conceal Palette, Bobbi Brown Conceal Palette. These are all high brands. So yeah, this was the content today, and I hope you understood some bits of importance of concealers, how you want to apply your concealers, different type of concealers, and what exactly concealer do. So I hope you like my video. If you do like, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Kindly share this video as much as possible and extend your support to me, and also apply concealers and yeah, apply color correctors, and let me know in the comment section below how you experienced before look and after look. Please share with me, whoever have my number with you, kindly give me a WhatsApp pic so that I understand that you people watch and like my content. So yes, thank you so much for watching this, and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.